Think you need a pile of cash to invest in real estate? Wrong. I buy properties without using my money. I use business credit instead. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you could do it too. No banks, no personal credit checks, no massive down payments. If you want to build wealth through real estate without draining your savings, keep watching. Here's the truth. Most real estate investors run out of money fast. They cover down payments, closing costs, repairs, and maintenance, and before they know it, they're stuck, out of money and out of deals. But what if you could fund your subject to deals using OPM, other people's money? That's exactly what business credit let you do. So in this video, I'm going to break down how to set up your business credit the right way, which business credit cards and funding sources to use, and also how to use business credit to buy real estate without personal risk. Let's get into it. Let me tell you about Marcus. Marcus had the perfect subject to deal lined up, but one problem, he didn't have the cash to cover the upfront cost. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how I help him fund the deal without spending a dime of his own money. But first, let's start with step one. Before you can get funding, you need the proper business structure. If your business isn't set up right, lenders will not approve you. Here's what you need: LLC, EIN, business bank accounts open. It must match your LLC. You need a business email and phone number. No Gmail, no personal cell numbers. You need business credit reporting, at least 3 net 30 vendor accounts. Set up your business profile first so you don't get denied for funding. Once your business is structured properly, it's time to get funding. The best way to start is business credit with 0% interest. Why? Because you get free money to invest, no interest for 6 to 12 months. Here are the best 0% interest business credit card. You got Amex Business Plus, 0% APR for 12 months. You got Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, 0% for 12 months. You got your Bricks Business card, no personal guarantee. Use these cards for closing costs, minor repairs, without touching your personal savings. Even though you're taking over a mortgage, there are still some upfront costs. Instead of using your personal cash, use business credit. Here are some of the common subject to costs and how to pay for them. Past due mortgage payment. Use business lines of credit, repairs, and minor upgrades. Put it on a 0% interest business card. Closing costs and legal fees. Use net 30 vendor accounts. This lets you take over properties without touching your own money. Always have a plan to pay it back. Never take on more debt than the property can cover. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of paying out of pocket, let your rental income pay off your business credit. I rent all of my subject to properties to Section 8 tenants, so I get guaranteed rent every single month. Why do this work? No personal cash spent up front. Your tenant pays down your business credit, and you keep all the appreciation and the cash flow. Business credit is a tool, so if you use it wisely, you can scale your rental portfolio fast. Let's recap. Set up your business credit profile properly. LLC, EIN, business bank account, reporting vendors. Get 0% interest business credit cards. Use free capital for 6 to 12 months. Use business credit to cover subject to costs, mortgage payments, repairs, and legal fees. Rent it out and let the tenant cash flow pay off your debt. This is how you buy real estate without using your own money. But here's the thing, getting approved for business credit is one thing. Knowing exactly how to maximize it is another. Now that you know how to find your subject to deals with business credit, what if I told you there was a way to double your funding in just 30 days? Be on the lookout for my next video where I break down my exact business credit stacking strategy to get $100,000 in approval fast.